there, citizens of the universe, and welcome to this week's SFX Halloween makeup tutorial. So this week I thought we should do something really easy and simple. So if you are in a rush or you just found out about the last minute party, you can just go with this solution. So I'm planning to do 3 cat whiskers each side with a carved out effect, and hopefully a little nose, and it's all gonna be bloody, so calm down guys. But also I'm planning to do glam makeup as in the 2 previous videos. It's going to be like a basic, maybe with a pop of color, but I'm going to keep it really simple, so basically anyone could do it. Okay, so then let's get on with the tutorial. Okay, so I'm starting with the glam makeup tutorial, and if you don't want to do that part, then feel free to go forward in the video. I'm going to leave in the description when the SFX part starts. Okay, so I'm starting with applying the translucent eye primer from Morphe as always. Okay, so now as the primer is ready, I'm going in with shade Silk Cream. Next I'm going to blend in shade Abyss, the black one from the Morphe X Jaclyn Hill palette, with the same brush. Next I'm doing the cut crease part. Okay, when the cut crease is ready, I'm going to go in with shade Beam, and then I'm applying shade In Light and blend it together with the black and with shade Beam. And finally I'm going to blend the black color in with the end of the white glitters. Okay, so both of my eyes are ready, so next I'm just going to apply my eyeliner and mascara and finally my lashes, and we can move on to the SFX makeup part. Okay, so now that the glam look is all complete, we can move on to the SFX part. I'm going to use my sim bags from Macron as always, and I'm using my trusty little spatula, and I oil it up really well before starting to carve some wax out from the jar. Okay, so I have this little sim wax piece, and I'm just going to spread it out as much as I can. And if you feel like you're ready and it's really stretched out, then apply it to your cheeks. Okay, so when you feel like you're fully blended out, then I recommend using a toothpick, oil it up, and then you can carve out the whiskers. Okay, so as you can see, I finished this half too. You can't really see it on camera yet because it's not colored, but as soon as I'm going to add the blood, it's gonna be clearly visible. So for the nose, I'm taking a little bit of sim wax, this big, about this big, and I'm just going to place it in the middle of my nose, like this. Okay, again, blend it out as much as you can. If you want, you can use your fingers, and then you can use the same toothpick and just carve a little circle in the middle. Okay, so basically just that's it. And next, here comes my favorite part, as always, the blood. Okay, so I'm using two types of blood. You don't have to, I just really like that is two different colors. It makes it more realistic, I think. So I always start with this blood from eBay. It's a lighter color and it dries quicker. Just drop it. Beautiful. And start to color in. If you would like to add some blood around the wound or like a more red surface, then I recommend using this lighter blood and using a makeup sponge. Apply it to the makeup sponge, beautiful, and just blend it in with your skin. Okay, so guys, as you can see, I'm finished. Okay, so guys, it's getting really late. That's why I have this light next to me, and it doesn't have a great lighting for makeup, but I think you can see what's the point. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please give a thumbs up. If you're not already, please subscribe to my channel. I did two Halloween looks combined with glam before, and I'm just going to leave those in the description and also in this little information bubble thing. So if you would like to see those, you can click there. One of them is a unicorn inspired, like horror killer unicorn, and the other one is an Illuminati party glam look. So if you would like to see more inspiration for Halloween, I recommend checking those out. If you guys want to see all my other makeup looks I do, I usually post them on Instagram. My social media links are down in the description, also the end of the video. So yeah, that would be it. And just a quick disclaimer before finishing this video. I told you guys there are going to be 4 videos of this Halloween looks combined with glam, but unfortunately for the channel, but fortunately for me, I'm traveling to the Dominican Republic, so I won't be able to film another video. I just can't edit this in the really last minute, so I'm happy to actually get 3 videos out from this month. I hope you guys enjoy these makeup looks, and I'm going to be back after I came home from Dominican Republic. I really look forward to this adventure because here in Hungary it's starting to be really cold, and I'm really excited to go to the beautiful famous beach of Dominican Republic. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Have a wonderful day. Bye.